Desoldering. Now I want to desolder this transformer out of this PCB using a soldering iron and a desoldering pump. So that's how you use this. You could use desoldering shield wire, but we're just going to use this at the moment. So you just make sure this is heated up and on the wrong side. This socket is on the wrong side, so anyway, this is what I have to do. And you heat up each pin till the solder is melted, and then you put this next to it. Don't worry, this is not going to melt, this is silicone. And suck it. The big ones first. You see the solder coming out. That means you're doing the right thing. Just make sure you don't heat it up too much, because that'll take the PCB layout off the PCB, the copper layout. Anyway, shield wire is better than this pump because it actually takes it off completely. You probably have to be more careful with your board. Mine is no good. I'm not going to use this. I just need the transformer. But with yours, you probably have to be more careful. There you go, that's it. It's come off. That's your... One is primary, one is secondary. We have to test it to find out which one is which. And that's all. That's how you desolder your good items or bad items off the PCB and move on to the next item. That's all there is for today's video. I'll see you again with another video. Till then, goodbye.